kids, how are you all? I'm back. Again, we'll make a paper craft today. With paper, we are going to make a butterfly. See, we're going to make these butterflies with paper. Any color, any size, you can make it. Now, let us see what all we need. We only need either color papers or white papers. Any size you can take. I'm taking this size paper. And also you need sketch pens and crayons. Let us start. Now this size paper I have taken. Now here you have to fold it like this and press it nicely and open it other side. It's very easy, kids. Just see how I am doing. That's it. Now we got this triangles on four sides. Now we have to make this mark on all sides. Okay, just you have to press it very nicely so that we'll get these marks on the paper. Now fold it like this and press it hard like this. Now we got all the marks on all the sides. Now you have to catch like this and hold these triangles and this triangle. And press it hard and it will become a triangle like this. Now press it very hard. Okay, like this. Now I am showing you. You have to then see this like this. Now these two you have to fold like this and press it very hard on both the sides. Just press it hard. And back side. This one, just take it like this from back, bend it like this and press it hard. Now hold it in the middle and just fold it and press it hard like this so that it will stick. We don't need any Fevicol, any gum. See children, the butterfly is ready. Now here you can decorate it in any way. Now taking a sketch pen, you can either put the eyes as well, and using crayons or anything, you can design on the feathers and color them. So here we are finished with the butterflies. Big, small, any shape you can make it. So kids, hope you have loved it, and I really hope that you will try this at your home. Okay, meet you soon. Bye bye.